Didn't think my mic was working there, guys. Wasn't lighting up. Shift it over. Right, so what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. Got my favourite Chinese foods today. I nearly didn't do a video, but I thought I'd quickly do one because why not, eh? So you all know what I'm addicted to. And yes, you're right. It'd be too noisy for the mic. This is, guys, spicy salt and pepper chicken. Absolutely the best thing, literally, since sliced bread. This just, I will never ever get sick of this. I don't think I will ever. Get that spread out for you. Lovely. So that's the spicy chicken there. And we just like chips to go with it. I love chips that are from a Chinese. They all seem to taste the same, so I think it must have something to do with whatever they cook them in. And also, guys, back, some crispy wontons. Yes, we need the wontons on deck. Look at them. Oh, absolutely tremendous they are. Can you believe Kenny's not having one? I think them have had a Chinese at work today, so a bit of phyllo pastry at the bottom. Wow. Can't let them go to waste. So I've got my big jug glass here. Coke. The wontons also come with a sweet and sour sauce. I only really like a tiny bit, but we'll open it, have it ready. Wow. Where can that go? Oh, it's dribbling. Ooh. Sorry guys. Let's give you a look at that. Sweet and sour sauce. I'll put that this side. Right, we'll go straight in for a wonton, eh? And a bit sweet and sour. Lovely jubbly. Amazing. And that's literally all of the sweet and sour sauce I want. I like just a teeny bit. Right, anyways, get into this lovely salt and pepper chicken. My favourite thing from a Chinese, this. amazing. How is all doing, everybody? Thank you everyone who's loved the Spencer and Oscar's video. They've done a fantastic job. Me and Kenny went out, well, out we were friends really, but it was like a sort of a date. But there was me and Kenny, we're friends, Vic and Graham. Vic's two brothers and partners, and one of their daughters who's 21. We went like all around Newcastle, started off in the Stack, went all around Newcastle, and then we ended up coming back to a local bar next to us, and then from there back to Vic and Graham's house. We had a really good night. Well, I was getting ready though. I says to the Spencer and Oscar, if you want to do that box while I'm out, you can do that to like just keep them amused a bit. And they were like, yeah, we'll do that. So literally by the time I got ready, I didn't really have no time because I was going to set the camera and everything up for them. But literally they were picking me up, so I says, oh well, if you do it, just balance your iPad somewhere. And I forgot all about it, tell them to plug the mic in and stuff. But anyways, they must have done it as soon as we went out. And I was dying when I, obviously the next day, I was dying to like go through it and like see what they were saying and stuff. Oh, they've done so well. They're like, balanced it. They put the Christmas jumpers on, that was like off their own heads. They sat in front of the Christmas tree. Only one thing, they had the TV on with the Christmas tunes on, so obviously like that video can't get monetized now, but I'm not bothered because it was still a lush video. And they balanced the iPad on one of these dining room chairs, and that was the only thing they forgot to do, was plug the mic in, so it was a bit like muffled, the volume. But you could make out what they were saying still. Pardon me. But when Spen was saying, was Mum and Dad are going out for a date? And then Oscar went, yeah, because they need their time. And then he went, and this is our time. And I thought, bless your little heart. They've done really well for setting up and everything. They didn't have no help with anything. But like I say, we had a fantastic night. It was like last minute, the text, what time about was it, Ken? Was it about 12? After, was it after work? Sure, yeah. And they said we're going out, and it was like a full house, like who's going out if we wanted to come. And we had planned to watch like a Christmas movie and get Chinese. I thought, oh God, when do we ever like go out? So we ended up going and had a really good laugh. Vic's brothers are dead funny, aren't they? If my Chinese is shut and I really fancy this, I will not go anywhere else because I don't think anywhere else does it as nice. I should have shares in the place. The onions and peppers, delicious. Yeah, I'm surprised I wasn't worse than what I was when we were out, because I literally only had some crumpets in the morning, and then we went out about, was it about 4:30? About 5ish we went out. So by the time the text and then we got ready and that, I didn't manage to get anything. You got some lovely loaded fries, didn't you, when we were in the stack? But once I'm drinking, I hate eating. I like getting, like, when you've got the munchies, once you've had like a canny bit to drink, then I'll eat. But we're going back to Vic's, like, we just didn't get nothing. So we had, like I say, we had already arranged to get a Chinese on the Saturday. But obviously we went out, so Sunday I was eat right. Chinese it is on Sunday. We got massive fun, didn't we? We both got spicy chicken. We shared the crispy beef and the Cantonese sauce. We got wontons, chips, you know, when you're just like really desperate for a Chinese. Here we are 4 days later, having it again. But I am. And the kids are. Had the Ben's parents' evening tonight. During this like COVID thing, they just send you an email to like book your slot for the parents' evening. So it was on this like parents app. So I logged on. Obviously I wanted the one closest to pick up from school. So the first one was 20 to 4. They come out at 20 past 3. So I thought, well, that'll be ideal. I'll just wait around for 15 minutes. So I booked that one for Oscar, and then Spencer's was like literally 10 to, so it was 10 minutes after that, and the only 10-minute slots. So I thought, champion, I'll get them straight done and then home. So I hate getting home and then you have to go back later, so I was happy with that. Screenshotted them, because once I booked them, you have to put your email in, and then it like came up like you're booked. Well, what I thought it was like a confirmation. So obviously tonight, outside Oscar's class, there was hardly no one there. Someone came out like she had just seen a parent, and I could see her looking, but then she went back in the I was going to say shop there, the classroom, and she eventually came back out. She was like, "Have you booked?" I went, "Yeah." I went, "I've got a screenshot of it on my phone." She was like, "Yeah, another mum's just said that as well." She went, I'll see you anyway, come in." She says, "I haven't got you down on the computer." I went, "Yeah." I went, "I booked Oscar 22, Spencer 10 to, so like straight after each other." She went, "No, that's fine, come in." So Oscar's he's lush, he's got plenty of friends, he's doing like as best as he can, but bless him, he just asked us if she could, I don't know why they ask you, like, but maybe some parents reject it, like, do you know, like understanding tasks, like she'll tell him to do something and he like act like he understands, but then when she goes and checks, it's like he's doing something completely different. So there must be this group of people that can come in and like try and like help him understand a little bit more. She says, so I would like to get in touch with them if that's okay with you. I went, well, of course it is. It's not, if it's going to help him, yeah. So that's all he needs a little bit of help with. Just like But I was just saying to Kenny, like, when we were at school, like, the teacher could say something to you and they would say, like, do you understand? And you wouldn't want to be the one that says, no, I don't, can you tell us again? Because you feel like all eyes are on you and you feel like as if, like, people are, like, laughing. So I says, maybe it's just that. He, like, says he understands and really he hasn't understood. And then, bless him, he's probably just going and, like, making stuff up, like, what he, like, had to do. But anyways, at least he's going to get help now for that. But everything else, he's, like, brilliant. Like, he's no bother. Plenty of friends. He's very helpful in the class and stuff. So I thought, well, get in, as long as he gets his help. But she was, like, so pleased when I said yes. And I thought, well, do some mans, like, say no to stuff like that? Like, if it's going to help your child, well, of course, get whoever in you want to see him to, like, help him. So that was him. And then we went round to Spencer's. There was a couple of mums already there. But with we going in Oscar's early, it was only 20 past when we got to Spencer's. So I'm thinking, oh, well, these are a couple ahead of us anyway. And then it literally got to 5 to. And I thought, well, our booking was 10 to. And she's seen someone else. And then she went to take someone else in. And then we waited for even them. And I says, by this time it was like 10 past. And she went to take someone else in. And you've all got allocated, like, time slots. Oh, that chilly. So I quickly, like, said to her, I said, have you got us booked in? Because it's just happened with Miss Connor. She didn't have her booked in, but she's seen her just because there was no one else there. So she went, 2 seconds, I'll go and check. And she went, no, there's no booking for Spencer. I went, yeah, I don't know what I've done. I've even screenshotted, like, the teacher, the time and all that. But on my way home, I seen another mum. And I says, I don't know what's happened there. Anyways, Spencer couldn't get seen. She says, I've got another appointment, like an empty space, at like 25 to 5, up until 10 past 6. I says, oh, well, I'll see what time Kenny gets in. Knowing, like, he wouldn't be able to, like, go back along. So when I got home, I just messaged her and says, oh, is it okay if I just, like, maybe see you? Like, because it's happened before, like, previous years. Like, if no one can make it, the teacher will see them quickly after school. They'll take them in as soon as they pick the kids up. Or says, like, maybe his emailers or messages, like, key things you want us to, like, concentrate on, if there's any. So I've just messaged her there to say, sorry, I couldn't, like, get back to the school. But, like, if you are, like, available anytime after school, like, when I pick them up, I can come in any day. So I've just left it up to her to tell us. But by this time, we're absolutely freezing. It's, like, really frosty outside. Dark now. I thought, we had been waiting, like, half an hour by this time. I thought, nah, I want to get the bairns home. They're absolutely freezing. So then I says, oh, it was literally about 4:15 and Aldi's just up the road. So I went, how we will go to Aldi, get some bits and bobs. We'll tell Els to pick up from Aldi. So that's what we're done. Got a bit shopping in, then they picked her up. But before, when we were waiting for Spencer to go in, he was like, acting all nervous. And I went, what's the matter with you? He went, oh, I don't feel like I've done good, like, meaning his work-wise. He's always well behaved. I went, so nah, I know for a fact you don't, like, take the mick at school. And you will always try your best. So no matter what you've done, I'll still always be proud of you, because it's what you do. Like, I know for a fact he wouldn't, like take the mick and mess on. Obviously, he's not an angel. He will mess on some points during the school year, but I just know he, like, always tries his hardest. I went, so never be worried about, like, if your teacher has anything to say, like, not that she would say anything bad, but I say, so I'll always be proud of you. So you can only do what you can do, can't you? But then to cheer him up, I says, well, how about when we get home? And I was tricking him, I says, well, depending on what your teacher says, I'll get you some spicy chicken because this is his favourite. He was like, yes. So with us mentioning it, I didn't even get to see his teacher, but I mentioned it, so they still wanted spicy chicken tonight. Oh, look at that pan. Mm. Mm. It's absolutely, there's hardly no peppers in this one, mainly all onions. Mm. I do prefer the onions, like. I was out with me Nana yesterday. We just went to Wallsend yesterday. It was absolutely lashing down. And she was like half thinking like where to go. And she didn't really need much. I went, oh, we'll just get a taxi to Baker and back. I went, it's a bit much if you hardly need nothing, getting a taxi all the way to Baker. So I said, why don't we just nip to Wallsend? Once I found out what you needed, I went and get all that in Wallsend. Mm. So we just went there, had a look around Home Bargains and peacocks. I love peacocks. Got a lovely red tartan checky shirt. I love it. It's really nice. We had a KFC. Then we went to Aldi in Wallsend. We got back about 1:10 or something. I thought, well, if I just nip in the Wallsend, we've still like had a few hours out. All of the chips. And then today I knew I had to wait in for my new coat come today. I took a couple of pictures. I took a few pictures of us in it. I love it. It's so, so nice. It's like got some weight to it. It's like a lovely, like a proper waterproof, like a lovely material. It's not like that rubbery material. It's really nice. I love it. Kenny thinks I look lush in it as well. So I was so excited. It literally come like half an hour before I had to go and get the boys. I've just stayed in the day because I had loads of washing to do. I've got 2 more loads, I think. And then the basket's empty. Tomorrow Spencer's got a like a church service thing. They do it every year at school. It's only literally down the road from the school, but the parents are welcome to go if they want. So I'm going to go there tomorrow. I've told me Nana I probably won't be going tomorrow because I think it's like 9:30 or 10:30, and then Kenny and that finishes like 12:30, so I may as well just go straight home. My uncle Les goes on a Friday anyway, so he'll probably take her out somewhere. I said depending on what time it finishes, I'll still pop in for a cuppa, but she rang earlier on and says, just get yourself home. It's alright. She went, I'll just do something with Les. Not that we'll go out on a Friday, but she had nothing to do, so. You just don't want it to end. Yeah, when I was in Aldi, I thought, oh, I'll get what cans in for tomorrow because we always have a drink on a Friday night. So when we got home, I said, I've told the kids we're going to have spicy chicken. If you are having that, I'm going to have, we call them schmalls for cans. Why do we call them schmalls? I know, because we're like that, you know, we'll start calling something and then we'll call them more and more things till we then call them something completely different. Schmallers. I'm trying to think why we called them schmallers. Unless we said schmalka schmallix or something like that, and then we started saying schmalls. I know. We have funny names for everything. So anyways, that's why he's not having the Chinese, because he's wanting to have a drink, don't you? We were now a couple of cans, 4 can Kenny. I had like most of them in one bag, but then there was a pack of 4 on the bench. He was Heat. He wears the rest. I was Heat. I only got you 44 can Kenny. And then he spotted the rest in the bag. So you have a pizza or something like from the freezer when he's had a few cans. I've just realised I picked this bit up and I've got a bit in my hand. I don't even know how we got on this. Did Ellis get it or something once? And I must have just had a taste and I thought, whoa. I had a feeling I didn't press record there. The batter's so lovely, crispy, spicy. We were absolutely bursting off with Chinese on Sunday, like. We were really ready for it. But you know when you're starving and you order like way too much. You should probably get this on Friday, like, cause it's late now. Haven't had out of the day though. All I've had is a few shortbread biscuits with a cuppa this morning. Hey darling. He brought Monopoly down.
What?
He's been asking me to play Monopoly for 3 days.
Aye.
Aye. Say hello. Oh yeah, come show them who's back. I've posted a little video like.
Well, basically,
Oh, come here. Oh.
the elves and the second day of Christmas, the elves house came back.
Tell them whose yours is called.
Hat, and Spencer's is called Chips.
Came back yesterday, didn't they? In a lovely big balloon. I've posted a little short video of day 1 and 2. I'll try and post like every day what the elves are getting up to. But yeah, you love them, don't you? Oh, watch his hand doesn't go in there. Sweet and sour. Let's see, be a sweet and sour elf. Are you eat spicy chicken?
I've lost some.
Are you?
I just love that elves planning something on the floor.
I know. They're good, aren't they?
I mean, where did they even get the sweetie from?
I don't know. Magic. The magic elves, aren't they?
I mean, they can't just, you know, like, disappear out of nowhere.
Well, on a night time we put them on the tree, don't we? And then, before they do the mischief, they go and report to Santa and tell him if you've been a good girl or boy that day. So that's what they do every night. They go and see Santa and tell Santa if you've been good or bad. Don't they? Magic.
I mean, mine was trapped like in the tree, and how did it get out?
Yours was trapped where?
In the tree. It was trapped in the tree.
Because of magic. They go all the way to the North Pole, man, on a night time.
I know.
Because they just go like that and they're gone. Magic like Santa.
Like, did this click? How did it?
But I don't know what they do, darling. I've never seen them do it. Because they wait for everyone to be asleep first. Like Santa. He doesn't come until you're asleep, does he?
No.
Right, I'll finish this video and then we'll have a little game of Monopoly, okay? We've got a Walking Dead Monopoly, haven't we?
That's the one that I want to play.
What's Negan's stick called, Ken? Off down then, darling. No, the stick what Negan uses to bash all the zombies. It's got a little metal one of them. And then it's got like a hand, like a zombie hand, and a bucket or something. It's got good things on. We've got loads of Monopolies.
I know how to see it on the map.
I tell you what, a good one. There's a new Elf one. No, Elf film.
Aye.
There's a Monopoly with him on. That'll be a good one for Christmas.
I know. We should actually buy it one time.
I know.
It sounds fun.
Yeah, I'm absolute stuff.
I showed them better.
What, darling?
I showed
How are we then? Careful you don't drop out. You got her?
Yep.
Be careful with her. Oh, here's Bella. Here's little Bella.
This time I know how to carry her.
Needs a haircut for Santa, don't you?
Aye.
You're baby. You're cute.
Do you use this?
Oh, I just had a few little dunks.
Oh.
Good girl. We'll have to show them Rocky now. We'll show them Bella. Careful, darling. What you don't drop her.
Mom, Rocky's gonna grab her.
Listen. Hey, sweetie. And this is the naughty boy. But he's so cheeky and cute. Rocky. And yeah. Are you cheeky boy? Let me see what you got in there, ma'am. You can't have that. You need a poo-poo. Oh, who's it? It's my boy.
And that's coming up.
Right, how are they put them down now? Oh. Right, I think I'm gonna go now as well, guys. I'm stuffed. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I love it. I'm gonna have that every night.
No.
No.
Don't leave.
Don't leave.
I'm gonna come at the game.
No, not recording that.
Yes.
One more chip. Okay. Have you tried them?
Nah, I didn't have one.
I gave Spencer some because I know he liked them off last time.
Yeah, I
You like
them.
the crisp bit, the end bit. This bit, that's just like a crisp.
Oh.
I don't know if you like inside.
I like that bit. I'll try inside. Oh my god, is this a chip?
Like it? Right, get on then. I'm going to say bye to these. Right guys, I'm going. If you like that video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. I love you all. See you later. Bye.
subscribe to my videos.
Bye.